Abusiamene ka say there, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abe confess say anti-LGBTQ plus bill no enya ade ekodu na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo enimu da. O say ampa bill ne there parliament e pass here. Nenso obi kokwaji injunction edit to speaker so say ma speaker ho kwan e ma no en send bill no enko Mr. President Samuel Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne nchen. Eno nti anti-LGBTQ plus bill no there enya ade a sorry Edru na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo honom da. O say obi be catch we say anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ekudu na Addo enim na wansan ya tani pa no yotofo o de nsema to dwa o ka che Ghana fo nyina ne say Ghana fo emfa ne bone nche no say NDC party ne twantro e de che Ghana fo say eno de nsem ne to dwa na say ba ko tie nsem de to dwa no make out say Ghana nsem TV and don't think I say dia me just so na promise na oba say na let us obe like na wa share ama odan fo ne unwa be so eden ensa ka bi ne wate e ya asem wa John Dramani Mahama Ghana man pe ne dia to dwa ebusia enko tie nsem no dia to dwa no
the proper human sexuality, and it's quite a long name. Proper family values bill. If you remember, there was a court case that injected the speaker from forwarding it to the president, and also restrained the president from receiving the bill. Eventually, that case was disposed of in December. I think on the 18th or so. Yeah, so it meant that the injunction had been cleared. But as far as I know, the bill did not get to the president for assent. And so the convention is that all bills that are not assented to before the expiration of the life of Parliament expire. And so that bill effectively is dead, it has expired. I don't know what the promoters of the bill intend to do, but I do think that we should have a conversation on it again so that all of us, if we decide to move that bill forward, move it forward with a consensus. And probably it shouldn't be a private member's bill, it probably should be a government bill with government behind it after consultation with all the stakeholders to see how we're able to move this forward. But it leads us back to the discussion we had that if we're teaching our values in school, we won't need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they are growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it. And so we'll see how all this goes. And so I'm looking forward to this review conference. We can come to some consensus on some of these.
Etiabusu ya oti nsama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama odi atoja o kire say enya de anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ekokuduru ena na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo hono. But ebusuya se John Dramani Mahama enim sa de we ya adenti ena NDC party no twanto de kire Ghana fo say na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ansign anti-LGBTQ plus bill no. Esa Sam George ekura ko jira hono etie mu ka say Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na person be sign na oye tumutumu eti no se otoba mama ade a wa be sign o kansam bebre e wo Ghana hanum say and we were all in this country. You see, that is the reason why I'm catching will say the fact say uye obi a we need down ma o reason no, you should know say you cannot trust the NDC. See the American, you cannot trust the NDC because no matter what they will not tell you the truth. They will not, no matter what, they will not tell you the truth. They know, say what they are saying, and they're not correct. But the fact is, so they catch the war, I better know your votes. So they catch the war, I better know your votes. So they wait to any say, be trying to wait to be trying to. And that is the reason why we are where we are today. You see, I've been telling you people say, so Uji Sankofu Wedia, Uji Omudi at your own risk. Uji Omudi at your own risk. So you knew all this, and all this while you were quiet. You were quiet about this thing. And Utrahoma man foot in Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo attempt. A cansem kunu so small boys be cansem much whilst you knew that the anti-LGBTQ plus bill never reached the president. The bill never reached the president for him to sign, or because someone signed it. So who catch you? What do you want us to do? But on him say, catch you will say, Nyankopon so ka ho a. Say na Addo dan kwakufo adu kan wa say. Say wo gidie wo nyame mu a. Na wo de wo ho eto ne so a. Emfa wo de nipa beka, emfa wo de nipa be ye. So be ye wo say, so be ye wo say, so be ye wo say. Gina wo gidie mu. Gina wo gidie mu. Na eno ene obi ahu. Embem sabem beboa. You know come, it come. You see, so bro, yet na we are here. Let's be truthful to ourselves. Let's be truthful to ourselves. So obi be believe him say adani pani ye no. It's not true. Let's tell the person in his face. Say, Master, you did lie. Let's tell the person that you did lie. What you are saying? Tell the person the truth. What kind of question there is nothing the person can do because what you are saying is true. Look at today. Now you are telling us. Now you are telling us. So you knew that all this while. Now can you knew say it was never true. Say don't put name the one sign. But the life of Sammy Jenfi, Sam George, Samuel Kujuta Blakwa, Malik Basintali, and then maintaining Cambium. When was the last time I Malik Basintali came on my way? When was last time? When was the last time? When? And you would think, say, we don't know what we are doing. Eh? You think we don't know? We are not kids, bro. We are not kids. And I'm praying, say, because let's give some time. Naturally say, Nyankopon eya adoma. No credit, they be about the piano can beba. Ama moto beti say ya. Moto ebeti say ya. How Ghana and some TV my catch will say. So oba say ya. Na issue be say near discuss ya. The best you can do. And they say video no over share their money because meaning say most of our subscribers no 100% patriots. Muye kukududu for muye MPP for. I know because I've been watching the comments. It say oba now one video ni say na you share to the groups at home for them to know say Nyankopon NDC for to ama John Dramani Mahama and kasa be kwenu asem e da chile Ghana for. Share for people to also know what is happening in the country. Mr. It is very important to me. Like the video because if 1,000 people watch this video, at least 500 of you people should like the video. Because if you've been able to waste your data to watch what we were telling you, it means you are interested in what you are watching. So please, kindly like. Be partial. I know you will do it. It is still possible. Promise. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ababe confess say enya dia anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ekokoduru president na Addo kwakufo adu honom ti nsem a ebusuya na kire say all these years no na kire say John Dramani Mahama any NDC mpanyifo no etwanto de kire Ghana for say na Addo kwakufo adu bill no koduru anim say one sign not knowing say yes say the court injunction eto speaker so say ontimi empire bill no man koduru president honom or say as far as Ono John Dramani Mahama or Ghana Penina is concerned no His Excellency Addo kwakufo adu anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ankan koduru nenim say nka obesign anase on sign or say enduru nenim da isan say ye de asam no court court e de injunction eto so enti tama ye bua asam no ewie no na kire say ye January mu a e na Addo kwakufo adu efiri so Ono John Dramani Mahama na eba sa we video we e yambra o share e clergy anase so mpanyifo a na no twetwe nkomo kire say Addo kwakufo adu Addo premai Addo gagai achim de she konkron enya ade a eye anti-LGBTQ plus bill no ekokoduru no hono mo akire say so obi be catch you say bill no kodo na Addo kwakufo adu one sign de na sane pa no eyo trofo we eye nsem a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana man penini e de ato de okire say na Addo kwakufo adu wanye bone bi esan say bill no enduro ne nenim eda Yakopon enchira obi bia